I recently discovered that the state notifier method I once used is now deprecated, and I was wrong. Today I'll walk you through the latest best practice, explain what's changed, and show you how to keep your projects up to date. Let's get started. First of all, thanks to Randall. He said that you are using legacy Riverpod providers. These will be going away. I was wrong about using state notifier with Riverpod, and I have updated immediately when I saw such comment and issue, of course. And now I'm gonna show you how to update our Riverpod method with state notifier using the notifier. Okay, let's go and let's check what changed. First of all, as you can see, right now we have no state notifier, but we have a notifier. Also, we have no state notifier provider, but we have notifier provider. So we removed the state, but of course, notifier wants us some override method like build, so that we need to initialize something like out repository, or maybe another repositories, maybe use cases, etc. And that build method is actually our constructor. We can think like that. So let's see the differences first. In the beginning, we had used to use the Riverpod like this. For the out-view model provider, we had state notifier provider like this. Okay, and okay, let me add F. And we have out-view model here. And of course we want to change out view model, because right now out view model is not state notifier but just a notifier, so that we need to change out view model too. And instead of using late, of course we can use, but we were using like this. Remove the build method. Yeah. Okay, we were using our out-view model provider and out-view model like that using state notifier, but as the Randall said, we need to update our state notifier. This works, by the way, for now, but it's deprecated, as I said, so that we need to convert that state notifier to notifier. But first, let us check what we have in our hands. Let's refresh the application and see what we have. Let's go and write our mail and passwords, and we can sign in. Here we go. Yeah, we can sign out, and let's convert our out-view model provider to notifier provider instead of state notifier provider and see what happens. Quickly, I'm gonna discard all the things. Okay, yeah, we have notifier provider right now, the updated version of that branch. So let's refresh the application. Okay, let's paste it. Password is same. Let's sign in. And here we go. Sign out. Yeah, it works as expected actually. So if you use your view model with state notifier, you can update your state notifier to notifier and use like that. The state is same. I didn't use freeze or code generation, but if you use, of course, you can implement the code generation here, but without code generation, it works well. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this update and found it helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe for more content, and give the repo a star. Your support means a lot and it helps me keep bringing you the latest tips and updates. See you in the next video. Flutter Wiz.